This is Visit a Class feature in Google Classroom. When you go into Google Classroom, you will see on the left, Visit a Class. Click on that and then click on Visit a Class. This enables you to join a class without actually being a teacher. Type in the teacher's last name and then choose the proper name when it shows up in the dropdown. Then once you get a list of other classes, find the class that you want to go visit, making sure that you click on it, and then choose the reason. You can add a message at this point letting them know why you're visiting if you want to. They will get an email that tells them that you visited. Then press Visit Class. This will give you access to their Google Classroom and all features within it. You can edit and make changes. You will have a 2-hour limit that will allow you to visit this class right now. So you can go to classwork and click on an assignment to see what's going on, what the information was, what the instructions were for students. You can go and click on the grades and look at the grades that are being populated there. You can also add an announcement to the class that all the students could see should you want to give them a positive message. This will go to the students, not just the teacher. So make sure that whatever you type in the stream, you are typing for students. And then post. You can just then close out of this class. And if you wanted to go visit another teacher's class, click the back arrow and type that other teacher's name. Click on it and follow the same steps, finding the class you want to visit. Now here's a sample of what the email will look like should you visit a class. This is what the teacher will receive.